931, the source code is here. My name is Kanji Coder. Let's get going. In the system index, DACAFAD is the data cache for Fada. And then down here, we have these simulation systems. We have BOMTHOT, the common code used by BOMHARD and BOMSIMP. Hard simulation code, simple simulation code. BOMOTH is a wrapper that will call one of these depending on which mode the game is in. In data by system, in the DACAFAD data section, we have added these three lookup tables. So data cache Fada, so that's the namespace. It's global data. And we're going to take these things and convert them to the RGBA output bytes for the Fada tile that we want to lay into the tile map. This is the Fada tile, the V16 Fada tile, with the timestamp that we need. So Fada FX4 value, FX4 being the special effects index, Fada V16 value, BOM V16 value. Three different ways to access what we want to put into the tile map. And then down here in DACAFAD here, we have this function belonging to DACAFAD, calculate and cache bin Fada. We're going to calculate those lookup tables right here. So we have these inputs with the exact same names of those global pieces of data that we just looked at, the global lookup tables. We're going to error check the inputs and make sure that these are exact matches. The only reason that these functions take inputs is just to make the code more readable, because we could do this with side effects, but it would just make the code harder to read. We'll do the calculations in another video. And then in BOMTHOT, the common code used by BOMSIMP and BOMHARD, we have the same exact caching function, but it's namespace to BOMTHOT, and it's just a wrapper. This is just a wrapper function, right? So we're going to input those three lookup tables here again, explanation of what those lookup tables are, and then down here, right, we're just wrapping it, right? So we're calling the exact same function name, but now it's namespace to DACAFAD. Calculate and cache bin Fada, and we're just piping down those inputs. We're just passing on those inputs. Okay, down to the next section right here. Inside of BOMSIMP, the simple BOM simulation code, inside of our ticker function that executes once per game frame, here we're calling function BOMTHOT, the common BOM simulation utility functions, calculate and cache bin Fada, and here's our three global lookup tables that belong to the DACAFAD system, the data cache Fada system. Here's the three things that go into the lookup table. Here's the RGBA bytes of our Fada tile that need to be put into the tile map for the explosion that we're emitting. And then we have some footnotes, but we don't have time to go over those. Like, subscribe, we're out of time.